Hello, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Daniel Gomez, and today I'm going to be interviewing John Wilhoit on real estate. We're going to do some basic real estate questions that help all of you out in your real estate journey. So, thank you for being here today, John. Appreciate your time. Uh, I've got some questions for you, and the first question I have is I just bought a new property about a year ago, and now I'm looking to invest in rental properties. Where would be the best place where I could put my money in a rental property? And that could be neighborhood, but that could also be state. What's your advice on rental properties and location?
That is a broad brushstroke question, man. We have a big country and people live all over the country, right? And
Right,
of course, other countries. But in the United States, most people that buy rental property buy it within driving distance of their personal residence. And why is that? It's because they want to go and kick the tires, right?
right,
So there's nothing wrong with that. That's very common, excepting if you're in a major city, buying a rental property could be $500,000 to $1 million. Do you want to look at another option? Do you want to go in with other people? What's your best play here? The real question is, what are your objectives?
right,
That's the real question. So if you've just bought a property a year ago, I'm presuming it's your personal residence.
right.
So
Yes,
home is home. Home is the most important thing. You can't risk home to buy a rental property because then you have zero assets, real estate assets. So it's best to first take care of home base, and then if
yeah,
you're looking at rental property, the best thing you can do for you is not over leverage and to use
okay,
fixed rate financing. Those are the two primary things. So with
right,
that, you have an opportunity for success. I always share with people, no matter your knowledge base, no matter how smart you think you are, please use professional property management. Yes, there's an expense with that, but what you get in exchange is people that are in the business full time. Unless you're a full time property manager yourself, then you don't know what they do all day. You just think they collect rents. And of course, that's far furthest from the truth, right? They do a lot more
right,
than that. There's fair housing laws, there's notice requirements, there's all these requisites that are part of the business on a standard operating procedure basis that if you're not in the business, you don't know these things. So if you want to buy a piece of property in the United States, my best advice to you is to certainly purchase it within driving distance of your home. So you have the option of seeing the property when you want to. That's not really necessary, but it's necessary for most people for their comfort level. So
right,
if that gets you out of your comfort level to be further than that, don't do it. Just don't
right,
do it. But
so,
primarily, do not over leverage.
right.
Primarily use fixed rate financing to make sure that your payment remains the same. And as your rents increase over time, you'll see better cash flow.
Okay.
Correct.
Thank
Yes.
you, John. Well, hey, that was my last question today. I
All right.
appreciate your time, and we'll be doing these videos frequently and upload to YouTube on John's channel, which is John Wilhoit on real estate. So be on the lookout for more videos. Hit the notification so you get notified anytime we post a video. Subscribe, please. We're trying to grow our channel, and this is our first start here. So comment down below if you have any future questions on real estate